The real bite behind bite off. Hey learners! Today, we're diving deep into the English language to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, bite off. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it seamlessly in your conversations. Before we delve into its figurative use, let's first understand the literal meaning of bite off. The word bite refers to the act of using your teeth to cut, pierce, or grip something. When combined with off, it implies that a portion of something is being bitten and separated from the main part. Example, she bit off a piece of the apple. Now, when used figuratively, bite off often comes as part of the phrase, bite off more than one can chew. This idiom means that someone has taken on a task or responsibility that is too big or difficult for them to handle. Examples: Tom took on 3 major projects at the same time. He may have bitten off more than he can chew. I wanted to make a 3-course meal for my first time cooking, but I think I bit off more than I could chew. When using the phrase, keep these things in mind. 1. It's more commonly used in its figurative form than its literal form. 2. It's versatile. You can use it in both negative and positive contexts, although it's most often used to express a sense of being overwhelmed. 3. Even if you don't use the full idiom, bite off more than one can chew, English speakers will likely understand the implied meaning if you use bite off in the right context. And there you have it. The phrase, bite off, is a fantastic example of how the English language can take a simple, everyday action and turn it into a powerful expression. Next time you find yourself taking on a challenge, ask yourself, have I bitten off more than I can chew? And remember, even if you have, there's no harm in seeking a little help. We hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning!